Today we're going to make a Bloody Mary so dirty, it's filthy. Stay tuned.
What is this filthy shit?
Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to check out this filthy premium all-natural Bloody Mary mix. And you're not seeing things. It actually is in a pouch as opposed to being in a bottle. Make sure it's shook up here. If you've watched my samplings of these before, I always like to taste it before I make a Bloody Mary out of it. So let's do that. Really simple to open. You just twist it, I guess. Oh yeah. I don't want a whole lot of it here. I just want to see what it's going to taste like before we mix anything in it. On the nose, you got the spices. I got a little bit of that, horseradish and the Worcestershire sauce. On the tongue, you've got you can actually taste the tomato in it, so it hasn't been completely drowned out. You got the spices. You know, I could drink that like that. That would actually make a pretty good V8 type juice. Okay, that's a good sign. Let's get our shaker. You won't need a whole lot of ice here. It wasn't in a refrigerator, so it won't take us too long to cool it off, but okay. There are instructions on here if you want to follow them. And it says it'll make something like 8 cocktails, which I don't really believe it will. But right there's the instructions for the how to mix it. But again, if you've watched me do this before, we measure everything in precise increments.
Oh, come on, man.
It looks like about enough. All right. I did have that refrigerated, so like I said, it didn't take very long at all to get cold, but oh, look at that. I do have a salted rim on my glass. Very salted, I should say. Let's try it with vodka. You know what? For just opening a bag and dumping it into a glass and adding vodka, that's pretty darn good. Just by itself. There's 2 things I really like in a Bloody Mary. Pickle and horseradish. And this one has just enough. It has just enough of the spice that you don't lose the tomato in this. Now, tomato shouldn't be all you taste. You should taste spice as well. But I can taste that horseradish. You got a little bit of that peppery on the tongue. And it hides the vodka very well, which is good. I like it. For straight out of the bag, not adding anything to it, it is one of the better ones I've tried. I will give it that. So I do have a favorite. I'm not going to go over that here, but I do have a go-to standard. Maybe it will become this. Do have a little bit of cheese and some pickle. Not bad. It's pretty good. I like it. It's definitely worth checking out. If you like Bloody Mary mix, if you have a go-to that you always buy, try something new. Try Filthy if it's available. I do have one liquor store by me where I can get it. It's the only place I can get it other than buying it from Amazon, or you can go directly to filthyfoods.com and buy it from them. And their price is actually cheaper than buying it at Amazon or buying it at my local liquor store, but you got to pay for shipping. So there's that. But there it is. Filthy Bloody Mary. I like it. I give it 2 thumbs up. Definitely worth checking out. If you like this video, click that little thumbs icon down below. Click the little subscribe icon. I greatly appreciate it. Click the little notify button to be notified when I post something new, just like this. Until later, thank you, and you have a great night.
Dude, this is really good.